My name is Ruben Ortiz, and I am a doctoral student focusing in criminology in the sociology department here at the University of Tennessee, Knoxville. My research focuses on identifying predictors of police-produced killings in the United States. Mainly, I focus on the relationship between police-produced killings and the overall composition, as well as changes in the minority population across metropolitan areas in the United States. Now, it is unclear how enduring the problem of police-produced killings is, but the highly publicized and controversial deaths of unarmed people of color at the hands of police have resulted in public demands in order to address the racial disparities in police-produced killings. Now, these public demands have not only shined light on the racial disparities in police-produced killings, but have also brought to light the lack of reliable data produced by the government. Former FBI Director James Comey, for example, said that it was ridiculous that he could not tell you how many people died at the hands of police in a given year. Now, responding to the lack of reliable data, news organizations such as the Washington Post and the Guardian rather, have published crowdsourced verified data that highlight the racial disparities in the data. When adjusted by population, blacks were killed at twice the rate of whites in 2015 and 2016 alone. According to the Washington Post, unarmed black men were 7 times as likely to die from police gunfire than unarmed white men. Now, what I do is take these data and merge them with other data sources such as data from the Census Bureau, and I look at both metropolitan area level characteristics such as the composition of the minority population, crime statistics, as well as individual characteristics of civilians that have died from police gunfire, such as their race, armed status. And I attempt to identify predictors that might give us insight as to how to decrease the overall prevalence of police killings, as well as the racial disparities that we observed in the data. And in doing this type of work, the overall aim here is to reduce the number of killings, as well as reduce the number of, the disproportionate nature of police killings. This has, of course, implications for public safety and the safety of police officers as well.